welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Midland. In my channel I do decor, fashion, beauty, and a little drink sometime, girl, because you know we need that sometime in our life. So if you like all those and more please subscribe to my channel. And if you are OG, welcome back. Okay, girl, today I am bringing you guys a decor video. I am doing my daughter's room today. I just recently finished decorating it, and I am going to show you guys her room. Okay, maybe you guys could get some ideas how to decorate your daughter's room and all that good stuff. Now listen, her room does not look this good on a daily basis, okay? I clean up just for you guys because, you know, we gotta look cute on camera and everything. It'd be so messy and books everywhere and everything, but, you know, I clean up just for you guys. I'm sure tomorrow she's gonna destroy it or whatever. So, being a mom. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. Share the video with your friends, family, whoever, okay? And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Okay, guys, so here is my daughter's room. Girly as girly could be. So a little history. Her theme is unicorn. Well, I guess my theme, because she can't talk. She don't know what she wants. But I love unicorn. My baby shower was unicorn. And her room is just unicorn. So this is the door, the entranceway. So when you first enter, let's talk about the lights, okay? This girl have a whole chandelier. Beautiful chandelier. Okay, let me see if I can zoom in. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, gorgeous. This make the room 10 times girlier. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. And it's the like vintage looking too. It's so beautiful. So this is her light fixture in her room. And when we first walk in, she have her little frozen car. she had that for Christmas. And right now I put the car here, but I think I'm gonna utilize this space for a mirror because she love looking at herself in the mirror, kissing herself. So I wanted to get like a small little girly mirror to put right here in the space. So I'm still thinking about it. I don't want to get anything that she's gonna break or anything she could move, something solid. So I'm still looking. So by the door we have this painting. I bought this at Burlington and I just love the saying. Look at this. It is so pretty. I love the saying. I love the background of the roses, and it's just so beautiful, so pretty, so pretty. And let's just continue on this wall. Okay, so she had these from her last room, these beautiful flowers. I bought these at Hobby Lobby, and I don't remember the price. It was a while ago, but they are so pretty. Let me get closer so you guys can see. So I got a big white one and then 2 medium-sized pink one. So they are so pretty, guys. It made the room so girly, so girly. So and this side is her dresser. I bought this dresser since, you know, she was a baby or whatever, and I actually changed the knobs and make it a little more girly into these little diamond knobs. Okay. It was, you know, it was necessary. And then over here is just her picture. This is my little baby when she was a baby. And then behind that I have a unicorn nightlight, and I used to have it on the wall like at my old house, but this time I just put it right there. I think it's okay for now. and then her little television to watch her little cartoon shows. And this is her unicorn. I think this is from, where did I buy this? I think it was from Home Goods, if I'm not mistaken. Hello jewelry. I don't know if it's a jewelry holder, but I'm using it as a jewelry holder. You know, she got her little bracelet, her little necklaces, and her little earrings and stuff. So, and then I found this nice little picture holder. It's a mommy's world, daddy's girl. So true. And then that's this side of the wall where her crib, this is her crib. Well, used to be a crib, now it's a toddler bed. And on that wall is her beautiful name. Oh my god, guys, I am in love with this. Okay, this is my favorite thing in her room, her name. I bought this on Amazon and it is just beautiful. It's unicorn with her initial, the big P is her initial, and then her name across, her first name and middle name, Priabella. And it's just so pretty. It really brightened her room up and just said, yeah, this is my room. Okay, and then below that we have her toddler bed. And let me get closer. So over here I have this, I found this unicorn pillow I bought a long time ago at Home Goods. I think, yes, Home Goods. And I was like, ooh, because at the time I was looking for everything unicorn. So I found this unicorn pillow, which go perfect. Her little teddy that her godfather gave her. Just stay right there for decor. And then her on the side of the bed, I got her little blanket with her name on it. And I ordered this, I don't remember the website. It was a set when she was a baby. It was the blanket with the onesie and everything. It was so cute. On the other side is a flower. It's just a beautiful blanket that she's gonna keep for a very long time. So her crib is a unicorn, of course. This was gifted to her by her grandma doing the baby shower. And it have the sheets, the pillow, it came with everything. And it's just beautiful and it's perfect for the room. Moving on to the carpet, which is a very big size. Let me show you. I love this carpet, guys. Oh my goodness, love this carpet. It's so fluffy. It is so cozy. It's a light pink. Well, I wouldn't even call this pink. I would say this is a light blush. Like, it's a blush color, and I love it. I bought it on Amazon, and if I found the link, I'll leave it down below. So that's that side. And then moving on to her corner over here, I call this her reading corner. So this chair I had at my old home in my living room, and moving to this new house, we was actually gonna throw it away or give it to, like, you know, give it away or whatever. And I'm like, you know what, let me recycle. So looking, and I'm like, you know what, this look good in here. Like, it really does, because she had a rocking baby chair, and I'm like, you know, now she's older, she's 20 months, you know, this look more, a little more grown, you know. So I got rid of her rocking baby chair and I put this in here, and it fit perfectly because the room is so big, so she need things to fill it up with. So I'm mad. I love these pillowcase because I bought the pillowcase from Amazon and separately from the pillow, and I'm so mad because in Amazon that thing say pink, and right here it is coral. Okay, but I like the pillow. I like them so much. Like, it's so nice. I like it, so I didn't even bother to return it. And you know, not everything needs to be matchy, so it's okay. Like, it's pink coral. So it's okay. So this is her little reading area over here, and then on that wall we have her some pictures, you know, a big old picture when she was a baby and some pictures. And then on that wall we have a little hanging shelf, what is it called, floating shelf, and it just have a cute little picture and a Bath and Body Works the Twisted Peppermint. It's pink, it's cute, of course, you know. And then we have her unicorn bank up there, so that's that side. Now, next to her chair we have her books, which are somewhat missing, of course. Who knew where she dropped them? And we have a beautiful white sheer curtains going, and then below is her laundry, her laundromat. Is it laundromat? What is it called? Laundry, you guys know what I mean. I can't even remember, but it's unicorn. I bought this at Burlington and it just looked perfect. It's big enough for everything. And on this side we have her changing table. I'm still using it. It come in very handy. It just got all her, you know, everything she used, her diapers, wipes, her humidifier when she needed. You know, I got her like blocks when I used to take pictures every month. Right now I just display like her, like how old she is. So right now she's 20 months, so I displayed that. And then on that wall we have this beautiful unicorn image. It says sparkle like a unicorn. So pretty. I bought that at Ross. And then over here we have a little mirror next to her changing table. She likes to stand up and look at the mirror, and you know, she just loves mirror. I don't know, it's all pink and cute in this. It's cute. And then this is her closet over here. She got a big old closet, and next to her closet she got this dream big little unicorn image. And then my friend actually gifted this to her. It's a little unicorn chair, so I just put it right there for now. And then let me open up her closet. This is a unicorn little bag that currently she can't use yet, but it's cute to display. It goes with the room. So this is her closet. It's full of stuff. I have her name up here. This was in her last room, display in a floating shelf, but since I got the wall name now, I like that one better. So I was not about to throw this away because this been with us for a while, since my baby shower. So I made this, actually I made this, and it's so pretty, and I hope she keep it forever. So I just displayed on top of her closet since she have a lot of shelf space. And then over here, this little skirt, this was her first birthday outfit. It was baby shark theme, so it was real cute. Okay. And just some, I think this is her first birthday hat, and just some box and stuff. And then we have her shoes. They are in order, so she's currently wearing these and stuff, and then these goes to her other shoe size, and then bigger shoe size and everything. And then we just have some more shoes down here. I mean, this little purse, I found it at Burlington. I thought it was so cute. It was $1.99, so I know she can't wear no purse now, you know, but it's just there to look cute. I mean, it was $1.99, guys. So, and then I have her bath items, her Johnson here. I don't really use Johnson on her. I got these at my baby shower, and of course, you know, I'm not gonna throw them away or whatever. They're here for emergency sake. I love to use Shea Moisture, the baby brand, and then Dove. So that's what I've been using since she was born. And so I have a bunch of these, and the reason I have so much, guys, like I literally have so much, and the reason I have so much is because Burlington just opened up, and everything, you know, like the baby stuff are like 50% off. So, you know, these was like $3.99 minus 50% off. I bought them for $1.99. You cannot beat that, because when I need them, I buy them at Walmart, I think almost $7. So I find it for $1.99. I'm grabbing everything they have, okay? And she's gonna have them for hopefully a couple years, or maybe a year or two, I don't know. So she just have her lotion and her wash, and she have some Shea Moisture item also back there. And then these are toys that she got on her birthday that she currently not using yet. And then her diaper bag, and she have her potty. Hopefully it will be potty training soon. And then on this side of the closet right here, okay, I found this cute little suitcase. We were supposed to go on a cruise this year, a family cruise, but of course everything's canceled. And she didn't even have luggage or anything. So I find this at Burlington when I was shopping, doing their 50% sale, and it was already in clearance. And minus the 50%, I paid like, I think I paid like $3, guys. And I was like, you know, this is so cute. It's a whole unicorn theme and everything. I'm like, this is meant to be, so you're coming with me. I know it's so bougie. She have a luggage and stuff, but I'm bougie, so she could be bougie too. It's okay. And then on this side of her closet, it's just on top, it's just some toys, some blankets, and then she have her wipes, all her wipes. And then we go to her diapers. So she have like a nice amount, and I like to buy them in bulk because I hate the thought of running out and I have to run to the store to get stuff like that. And then, so that's her closet. She is good. She is better than me, because my closet, I wish my closet had this much stuff. So guys, this is her room. It is I'm still thinking of adding some items in here. Like I said, I want her to have the mirror and the floor mirror, but I need something like sturdy so she won't drop it or anything. And I feel like this side of the wall needs something, like maybe not here, but this side needs something. I don't know what yet. I don't want to fill it with too much stuff and clutter it up, but I don't know, I feel like it needs something. So when I find that something, you know, I'll probably add it to that side of the wall. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, comment down, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, I have so much more decor to show you guys. You know, so much more rooms and dining room. I think the dining room should be next. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But and I'll videotape it while I'm like decorating the table and everything. So, I hope you guys stay safe and stay blessed, guys. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.